There are a lot of gutter guards on the market these days. Which one is the best? After a lot of research and experience, the answer is none. After all the leaves fall and before winter, I go in and I just clean them out. We are surrounded by trees, so we have a lot of leaves. Over the years, I know a lot of people that have had gutter guards and a lot of people that have removed gutter guards. They simply don't work, and it takes more time to take them off and clean them and put them back on. It's a lot of money to buy them. It's a lot of money to have somebody put them on. And it's even more money if you have to have somebody clean them, take them off, and then put them back on. So overall, unfortunately, the solution is don't get the gutter guards and just have somebody clean out the gutters every year. In the long run, it'll be cheaper that way. If you are going to clean out the gutters yourself, make sure that you have somebody there to hold the ladder. And when you put the ladder up onto the gutter, look for this screw right here. You want to put the ladder on the support of the gutter. Notice how I have the ladder centered on the gutter support. And if your ladder is not straight, put a rock under it. So take your time, be safe, and forget the gutter guards. Hope you found the video useful. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.